Welcome back to the official MakerPipe YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you, with just a few MakerPipe connectors, a cheap soccer net, and some conduit, you can build this easy DIY soccer goal and to have some summer fun with the whole family. To build the soccer goal, we need 10 T connectors, a metal pipe cutter, measuring tape, marker, and a standard hex wrench or T-handle. We purchased this soccer net off Amazon, which will be linked down below. For the build, you need a total of 8 pipes. 2 6-foot pipes, 2 4-foot pipes, 2 34-inch pipes, 2 55-inch pipes. Start by laying one of the 6-foot pipes on the ground and add the 2 4-foot pipes vertically using the T connectors like so. Clamp down on the T and tighten fully. Then add the T connector pointed up on each side of the 4-foot pipes. Add the 2 34-inch pipes vertically inside the T's we just installed. Raise the goal up so the 34-inch pipes are flat on the ground. Add the final 6-foot pipe connecting to the 2 34-inch pipes. Now we can add the vertical support pipes. Add a T connector loosely on the bottom, as close to the pre-existing connectors as possible. Insert the pipe and tilt it up until it lines up with the top 6-foot pole. Once it's aligned, add the 2 final T's to clamp down. The net we linked below from Amazon came with instructions and included Velcro straps to secure the net to the frame. In case you get a different net, I will explain the easiest way to attach it to the frame. Start by adding the top 2 corners. I used 2 straps on each corner like this to make sure it was secure, followed by the corners directly below. Add straps to the back corners of the bottom and fill in the gaps with the remaining straps. Check out our store through the link below to get started on your project today. If you've enjoyed the build, please leave a comment, like and subscribe for more videos and builds to come. Thanks for watching.